This is a tutorial video of using the QOMO QRF500 series with the QClick software. You can download the QClick software off of the website or on the USB drive provided with your QClick device. Next, open up the software provided. After you have downloaded the QClick software, plug the USB receiver into the computer. Alternatively, you can use a USB extender by first plugging in the USB extender to your computer, then plugging in the USB receiver to the USB extender. After you have plugged in your receiver, restart your computer. Now open up the QClick software. You can create a custom username to secure your test results, or you can use the default user account. The default user account has a username of QOMO, and the password is also QOMO, spelled QOMO. QClick can be used with existing or new PowerPoint slides. You will notice a QClick plugin in PowerPoint, right in the banner. This is where you can build your quiz. To add multiple choice questions, use the built-in templates, or you can customize your questions. I'm going to create a simple multiple choice question. Once your question and options are inputted into PowerPoint, you can click on Show Details and obtain your question and options by clicking on the button. Now you can select which option is the correct option. You can also add true or false questions by clicking on the True/False button in the banner and adding in your question. You can add in short answer questions by clicking on the short answer button and typing in your question. Then click on Obtain. You will see your question and then just input the answer. You can also integrate in slides that don't have questions by using the normal PowerPoint functions. So if in your quiz or your survey you want to have a slide that doesn't have a question, you can just simply add in a new slide and enter in your information as usual. You can import classes or create classes by clicking on the class icon. The software will give you a sample class. You can use this sample class as a template for your class. To use as a template, click on the Export Class button. And now you can enter in your class roster right here. Since my class only has 2 students, I'm going to erase the rest of these students. Your device number is that number on the back of your remote, so this person will correlate to this remote. When I'm ready to save, I can save it as a name or click Save. Now I can import my document back in. I'm going to first create a new class, rename the class, and now I'm going to import a class list in. I can see over here that a line item that I didn't want imported into my class. To remove this student, I can simply just click on Remove Student. I can also create a class manually by clicking on Add a Class. Now I can add students by clicking on the Add a Student icon. When I'm done, I can click on Save. All right, now let's start our quiz. To start a quiz, click on whatever slide you want to launch. For me, I want to launch the first slide and click on Start. Up here it says QRF500 is connected. If it says no host, that means that your receiver dongle is not connected or that your computer does not detect the receiver dongle. If this happens, restart your computer with the dongle plugged in to it. Now I can select my class list. I'm going to select hour 1. I can make a roll call in the morning just to make sure that everyone is in attendance. And when I'm ready, I can click on Start. When the quiz is started, I can log into my remote. And on my remote, I have my class info, my hour 1, that's the class, and my channel. And I can start my quiz. I can control the screen by clicking on my buttons. Up, down will control. So if I click on down, I can go to the next slide. When I'm ready to start the quiz, I can click on the Start button, which is number 4 on the QRF500. And that starts my quiz. Now with my other remotes, I can select an answer. Submitted. If I want to stop the quiz early, I can click on Stop. At this point, I can view my results by clicking the number 7 button. Or I don't have to view it because my software is recording it. This result can be viewed in live time, or you can view it after the quiz is over. Let's go on to the next question. And again, I can show my results, or I don't have to show my results. And then again, I can continue to my next question. You can also change the amount of time a question requires in the settings. When you exit your quiz, you can save your results. To access your results, you can go to Report. You can see all of your sessions over here, or you can click on Report again. And now you have different options for your report format. If you want the Excel file of your results, you can click on the Excel icon right here. You can also view your report by double-clicking on it. And this will give you a quick overview of how each person did. This concludes my tutorial. If you have any questions, please visit our website at QOMO.com. Have a great day.